Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export contacts from Mailchimp. So I am logged into Mailchimp.com, and all you need to do here on the left hand panel, you'll see a bunch of options and you'll see audience. Okay, so I want you to come here and just click on audience, and you'll see this section that says all contacts. Go ahead and click on this from the drop down of options. So here you'll see your audience. Okay, currently I only have one audience, so that is what picked up. So you can come here to manage audience and choose whichever audience you wanted, but I only have one anyways. So we'll come here, and all you need to do is click here on export audience. Okay, so I'll click on this, and then we are going to export 26 contacts, right? So click on confirm export. There we go. And the export has started, and once complete, it'll go ahead and send us an email as well. Okay? So here we go. I have received the email, and I'll just go ahead and click on a download list data. Okay? And you'll see that the download will begin, and I will have my exported files in a zip file format. Okay? So I'll go ahead and show it to you. I'll go and extract it right now. So to export, you just right click on your zip file, and then you go ahead and click on extract files. Okay. And then come here and click on OK. Now that's if you have WinRAR or any other extraction tool or software. You can go ahead and use those, or you can use the default one on Windows. All right, here we go. This is the export, and you just go ahead and click on this to open it as an Excel file. And there you go. We have all our contacts and its details. It's really that easy and simple.